Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Messenger app. Note that in the latest Messenger update, any new conversation you start is going to be automatically end-to-end encrypted. So in order to disable this feature, you want to tap onto the menu icon, which is these three lines at the top left-hand corner of your screen, and then press onto the gear icon that appears in the top right, which is for the settings. Now you want to scroll down to the preferences section, and then I want you to tap onto the option that says privacy and safety. From here, you can see this option which says end-to-end encrypted chat, so go ahead and tap on it, and then you want to press onto the second option, which is logins. And here you can see where you can send and receive end-to-end encrypted messages and calls. Now here, both the Messenger and Facebook apps are connected to my phone and its location, so if I send or receive any messages or calls under this range, it's gonna be automatically encrypted. So if you want to disable this, you can just tap onto log out underneath, and then this pop-up window will appear. It says if you log in again on this device, you won't see any end-to-end encrypted messages that were sent to you while you were logged out. So again, I'm gonna press onto log out, and now if you log in again, you can start a conversation without it being end-to-end encrypted. So that's it, that's how to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.